Instagram algorithm completely screws over DM groups. Why DM groups don't work anymore on Instagram in 2018. What's going on, guys? Thor here, back with a new video, and in this video we're going to be talking about what the Instagram algorithm is doing to DM groups, why they're not working anymore, and if there potentially is a solution to this problem with DM groups not working. Quickly, before I jump into the video, I will be doing a meetup on the Discord server at 7 p.m. GMT on Sunday. It's going to be a meetup where you can chat with me, talk about Instagram. We'll be doing some announcements. So if you want to join this call and have a chat, make sure you click the link down below. Okay, so first things first, control is power. Having control over a set outcome is powerful. In a nutshell, this is pretty much what's been happening on Instagram over the last couple of years. Users have been in control when it comes to ranking posts on the Explore page and ranking posts in hashtags. If I, for example, really want this picture to rank on the Explore page, I can do that with the resources that I have. I can use DM groups, I can use power likes, I can do this, and that. There's so much things I can do to make this picture rank on the Explore page. Instagram, however, does not like this. They don't like that people are able to just put whatever post on the Explore page by using these kinds of resources. They want to have full control over this themselves, and they want things like this to happen more naturally, I guess. Here comes the issues with DM groups, because Instagram, they sort of have to program the algorithm to kind of catch up on things like this, to pick up on these things. For example, the Instagram algorithm is programmed to notice patterns. For example, if you follow 700 people every single day in a specific niche, and then you unfollow about 200 people every single day in and day out, they notice a pattern. They can see that you're doing things to specifically grow your followers, and what they will do then is to punish you for doing this, because they can see what you're doing, they know what you're doing. They can't just ban you for doing this, but they do lighter things like giving you a punishment, giving you a shadow ban. So being unpredictable is the key to succeeding on Instagram. Now with DM groups, Instagram pretty much knows where the engagement is coming from. Whenever you, for example, send a link to your post into the DM group and somebody clicks on that post, they get taken to your post and they engage with the post, referral data gets sent to Instagram and let them know that this person that engaged with this image, he came from this link through this group. And that tells Instagram that you're using DM groups to boost the engagement on this post. So the like that you got from this guy is not going to be anywhere near as powerful as a like from the same person would have been if that guy were to find your content on the Explore page, or for example in hashtags. Instagram can pretty much track where the engagement is coming from. They know it's coming from DM groups, and what they're pretty much doing is making this engagement have a less of an effect. Now, you might think that you have a solution to this problem now. For example, Thor, we'll just use Telegram, or we'll use WhatsApp. That's not DM groups. Let's do that instead. Well, the thing is, with WhatsApp and Telegram, both of these apps, whenever you, for example, get redirected from Telegram to Instagram, Telegram sends referral data to Instagram, letting Instagram know where this piece of traffic came from, and then Instagram can still track that it's coming from a DM group if that person gets directly taking, for example, to the picture and then like it. They see that, oh, a guy just suddenly popped onto this picture. He must have come from somewhere. Oh, he's coming from Telegram. Well, it's obvious that he now is using a DM group on Telegram, and then again, Instagram can make that like not as powerful as it used to be back in the day. What we're seeing now with the Instagram algorithm is that there's a difference in engagement. Engagement from big accounts obviously is better than engagement from small accounts, but engagement that comes from the Explore page is also more powerful than engagement that comes from DM groups. Now, what's the actual solution to this? I mean, I'm making the video, so I've gotta have a solution, right? Like, there's gotta be a solution to this. You guys know that I'm a big fan of GoSo and what they do in regards to services, in regards to Instagram. I really like what they're doing, and when they spotted this problem, they figured out they've been trying to create a solution to this problem, and what they've actually done is really genius. And when I heard about this, I immediately jumped on. I want you guys, my audience as well, to benefit from this in regards to what they are creating. So the idea is pretty much like an app slash a forum. The app is in development, but the forum is live right now. It's pretty much like Telegram. It's an app slash forum where you can create DM groups with unlimited amounts of user inside of it. Now the key thing here with these DM groups compared to Telegram is that when you get directed from, for example, the GoSo forum to a post, there's no referral data that gets sent to Instagram. So Instagram cannot track where the engagement is coming from, meaning that the like or the comment is going to be just as powerful as it would have been if it were to come from somebody finding your content on the explore page, or for example in hashtags, or for example searching up your profile on Instagram. So the concept of this is perfect. Now another cool thing is that when you go to the forum and you scroll downwards, you will see open DM groups that you can just join. You don't have to network with people to join these DM groups. You can just click them and join them if they're open. If they're open DM groups, you can actually set them to private, moderated, or open. Now I myself have actually taken the time to create specific DM groups for every single niche on this forum. So what you guys pretty much just have to do after this video is you click the link down below. That is the link in regards to your DM group. For example, one of them might say goso.io/ThorDMArt or ThorDM Fashion or ThorDM Travel. You just click the link that is resonating with what your niche is, and then you'll join a DM group with the specific niche. You don't have to network with people. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is to click that link below, and a lot of people are going to click that link, which means that you will have a very, very active DM group with a lot of people. Like let's say this video maybe get 10,000 views. Most of these viewers are probably going to want to join these DM groups because they're powerful DM groups. They're going to work better than the normal DM groups does. So it's going to be flooded with people, making these DM groups extremely, extremely powerful. Now you might be wondering, what do we do with leechers, people not following the rules in the group? Now due to the fact that I know that these groups that I've created are going to get a lot of people inside of them, I've set rules myself that apply to every specific group, and these rules are obviously in the favor of everyone watching. I want these groups to be as good performing as possible so that you guys can get the best results. So I've set some specific rules, and since I'm admin in all of these groups as well, I can easily ban people that I see leech, or if you guys for example see someone leeching, just report to me and I'll instantly ban them. So the format is, before you actually post a link to your post yourself, I will be showing you guys on my computer in a second how you do this, but before you post a link to your post, you have to engage with 5 accounts before you can post a link to your own post. Now you're not going to engage with random accounts. You're going to engage with the 5 people that posted a link to their post before you did it. So the 5 people that are above you or below you in the forum, those are the people you're going to engage with. So what you do is you type DX5, meaning done times 5, and then you post your link to your profile so people can go and engage with you. Smash the like button if you think this is awesome, by the way. So this is pretty much how it would look like. You see the art DM group right here. It says art 0k+. Here you see the post that has been made inside the group. Now, when you want to make a new post yourself, you have to engage with the last 5 posts. This is pretty much so it's easy to track. So if you don't think that that guy that just said DX5 liked and commented on the last 5 posts, if you think he's leeching, you just check yourself. You check the post and see if he has left a comment. And if he hasn't done that, you just report to me and I ban him. On that note though, I'm not going to be the only one moderating this group, for example. So if I see a lot of you guys are active, I might make some of you guys admins as well, so you can ban people that you see leeching, so that way you have more people than just me moderating this DM group. So to post, you click here, then you write DX5, then you add your link clicking right here. Now when you add the link to your profile rather than the post, because the engagement will be more powerful this way, because it now kind of looks like someone were on your profile and ended up liking your last image because it looks really nice. Yes, Instagram can track where the visitor is coming from, but if you suddenly just end up on a post and Instagram can't see where they're coming from, it can still look kind of weird. So rather use your profile links than the links to the actual post. Then next you click post, and that's it. Now the DM groups I've personally created are DM groups that anyone can join. They're 0k+ followers, so anyone can join them. Now you might be wanting to create DM groups with bigger pages as well, and I totally understand that. Maybe you have 30,000 followers on your art page and you want to create a DM group with 30,000+ followers in the art niche. Well, there is definitely a solution to how you can do this as well. I will hop on my computer and show you guys soon how you actually go and create create your own DM groups. But before that, I'm gonna touch on how you can network and find these accounts with 30,000 plus followers in the art niche if that is what you want. On the Discord server, I've created specific chat rooms for the specific niches. This means that you can network with people in your specific niche. On here, you can find the ones with 30,000 plus followers in the art niche, and then you go to GoSo, you create the group, you make it private so that it's only possible to join this group by sending people an invite link. You go back to Discord, you send the invite link privately to that guy you want to join your DM group that also has 30 plus followers in the art niche, and then you have a DM group that's private. No one can see it, no one can join it except the ones that gets the invite link. So it's very private, it's very targeted, because you guys are very serious about what you're doing when you're actually creating it yourself and adding people manually like this. And that is pretty much how you want to go about it when creating DM groups with people that are next level with their followers. So we're on the forum again, and what you pretty much do is you click right here, create new group, and then you do right like this. You select a category, so you choose Instagram engagement group, then you write the group name, for example, art 30k plus DM group, and then you write the description, art DM group for bigger art pages, for example. Then you choose public, moderated, or invite only. Choose invite only, so it's only people that you invite that can join. Who can view my group? Everyone. You just want to click group members, or you can actually keep it open to everyone, but not everyone is going to be able to join. But this way you might have people message you like, hey, can I join your DM group? I've got 30,000 followers in the art niche, I would fit this. So you might get more traffic into it this way. Can post, and that would be only group members that can post in the group. So you can add an icon too if you want to add an art icon, for example. And what you do then is you just click publish, and then you publish your DM group. You see now it's active. You can see that you can add a new topic, which means add a new post into the DM group, and that is pretty much that. So that is pretty much that. Now before you leave the video, before you X out, make sure you click the links down below to your specific DM group and join this DM group, because as I said again, it's going to be tons of people inside this, so you definitely want to leverage off of the amount of people that's inside. Now due to the fact that there is going to be a ton of people inside, you can promote your post multiple times. So say for example, right as you post, you go to the group and you do DX5, you comment on 5 pages and like 5 pictures, and you do DX5 and you post your post. Now some people are now going to comment and like on your picture because they also want to be able to post in the group themselves. Then what you do is you wait 30 minutes, and then by those 30 minutes there's going to be a lot of people that have already posted in the group due to the fact that it's so big, and you do DX5 again. Now obviously now again you do go back, you give engagement to 5 accounts, and you post your account again, and you can do this as many times as possible as long as you're given engagement beforehand. You give out engagement to people, and then you can post your post as many times as you want. So it's literally all up to you how viral you want your post to go. And so that is pretty much that. It says in my notes here to end the video, so I think I should do that. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash that like button, helps me out a lot. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go and subscribe. I post the most up-to-date Instagram videos, cracking the algorithm, all that stuff, as you can see in this video right here. I also would recommend you guys to jump down below and watch the videos I recently posted about the Instagram algorithm, how that's changed, and also the video about the power views to get yourself updated and how you can still blow up and reach the explore page. Also make sure you join the DM groups down below. Also make sure you join the Discord server so that you can network with people and build up DM groups with even bigger accounts. And yeah, smash a like, go down below and subscribe, and I will catch all of you beautiful people in the next video. Peace. What's going on here? Yeah, that's what we do at the office, you know. There's no rules for working. Work is work.